Hi, James. The weather is so freaking nice. Instagram. The weather is so freaking nice. Ang gulo ng live na to, ang gulo. Hi, Bernie. Ang gulo ng live na to. Thinking about me, thinking about it.
Alright.
How are y'all doing, guys? Hi, ECT. What's up? It's been a while. Kumusta?
Kanta tayo.
Hello. Hi, Ralph. Hello to everyone. Why am I even holding my camera? I mean my cell phone. Nasa school ka pa? Mag-aral ka muna. Alam mo, sobrang ganda ng weather ngayon. It's not sunny. It's kind of windy but not gloomy. But I'm not sure outside kasi I'm just looking at the trees right now. And it's just gushing. Pero hindi ko alam kung uulan ba. Mukhang uulan. Mark Joseph, what's up? Giliw, di mapigil ang mundo. Meow Z, what's up, Meow? Paul John, what's up? Alvin. Giliw, nagpapayat. Patanto na. Encho, uy. Cute. Hindi ko alam kung saan ko sisim. Alam mo yung pag nakikipag-video call ka, tapos ganito yung ano. ECT, thank you. Anong favorite kong ulam? Pakbet sa gulay. Tapos, giniling or something na masarsa, tas sabaw, tinola, bulalo, ganun, sinigang. Wow. Nilalagyan ko ba ng mayonnaise na sisig? Alam mo, depende. Depende naman. Depende yan kung... Pero hindi naman kailangan. Pero okay lang din naman ako kung may mayonnaise. Pero madali ako kasi maumay pag may mayonnaise. Pero okay lang din. Masarap pa rin naman. If you have a chance and every means to help someone in need, would you? Yeah, of course. If I'm super duper rich and I don't have, parang I really have all the means, why not, diba? Why not? BB, what's up? Wala ka kagabi, nakapag-live ako ng madaling araw. Ate Love, ayun. Ngayon mo lang naabutan yung live ko sa wakas. Naabutan mo na. Am I a fan of Adi? Of course. Not really an avid fan, but I love his songs. The songs of today, of course. Do I have to be super rich in order for you to do so? No, of course not. Like, I mean, I help naman in non-financial matters. You don't have to. I just assumed that your question was because of helping financially because yun yung yung kailangan ko ngayon. yun yung nasa utak ko ngayon, financial. Kaya yun yung sagot ko. Hi, Wilson. We miss you, Ate Love. What's my favorite body part? I think it would be my body part. My hands. My hands. Shout out from Israel, Carlo. What's up, Carlo? And my eyes. Yeah, my hands and my eyes. Ree Nicole, what's up, Ree Nicole? Hi Joyce, what's up? Andeng, kumusta Andeng? We love everything. Oh, thank you, Meow. Hi Risa, hello Mikaela. Hello po. Thank you, M-Cells. Thank you for reminding me. Yes, hawak ko phone ko. I should probably get my mini tripod para hindi na ako mangawit dito sa... Uy, pag dito sa dilim mo mukhang totoo tong balbas, oh. Can you see? Ang galing. Ang accurate. Oh, dito. Yes, AI yung balbas. Wala lang. AI yung balbas. Hindi ba bagay? Thank you so much, Terence. Maraming salamat. Yes, take things easy. You know, even hindi naman perfect yung mindset ko. The reason why I do that because of myself too. It's not only because for content or anything. More than anything else, it's for myself. Because every time I do that, it just keeps on reminding me that life is life, you know, and we do certain things that would affect our daily living. And it's just a matter of turning it on. Sige na nga, tanggalin ko na nga yung balbas. Anong binabayaran natin sa Tapsilog? Yung tapa at sinangag lang. Kasi pritong itlog eh. Ha? Hindi ko gets. Sorry, medyo morning pa kasi sa akin. Go lang, Jenica. Mag-aral ka mabuti. Masantos yung araw, si kayo namin. Ay, Pen. Shout out from Mangaldan, Catherine. Masantos si Agod, si kayo namin. Halos, kagigising ko lang. Kasi fritong itlog. Ah, okay. Fritong itlog. Okay. Paano kapag boiled egg? Ano pag boiled egg? Thank you, Catherine. Thank you. Love you too, guys. Christopher, thank you. ECT, salamat pa. Salamat. Sino si Benedict? Iba yan. Benedict's po ako, Benedict's with an X. Kamusta na si Viverine? The last time we saw each other was in Meissner Forum. Magkatabi pa kami nun. Okay naman siya. She's happy, of course. Miss ko na rin sila. Mataraki means parang matipuno. Ganun. If I'm not mistaken. Nagda-drop by ka sa Ampersand? Lately, hindi, syempre. Nung college ako, yeah, we go there. Pero hindi, it's not my favorite place. Clubs, bars are not actually my favorite places to go to. Pasok ba ako sa PBB? Nako, tapos na ako doon. Speaking of PBB, oh my God, alam nyo ba na sobrang every time I watch PBB clips, hindi ko kasi siya makumpleto, hindi ko matapos-tapos because as a self-diagnosed ADHD person, hindi ko matagalan talaga ang isang bagay unless I see yung parang sobrang interesado ko. Although interesado talaga ako sa PBB, pero yun nga lang, sometimes I catch myself feeling mixed emotions about it. Alam mo yun, yung parang it just feels weird. I don't know if ako lang ba. I don't know, ako kung ibang housemates din nararamdaman din yung ganito. Pero I don't know if ako lang. Siyempre, bilang isang former housemate and former celebrity housemate, pag nanonood ako nun, I see myself in it that sparks a lot of memories, good and bad, the traumas and everything, the experience in general. It really comes together as something na what could have been and what ifs. You know, parang it's actually quite I don't know how to say it, pero parang iba yung feeling pag alam mong nampunta ka na doon, tas you see them, parang you also get worried about them, their mental health, and sana hindi sila magkaroon ng problema, you know, and sana yung di nila mag-go through yung mga painful memories na napagdaanan sa loob, ganun. And just enjoy the process. Thank you, Christopher. Salamat. Thank you so much. I hope you're doing great now, Ben. Well, I am. I'm actually in my hiatus era. I am resting, and it's been a while since I just really last sat down and just think of nothing. But tomorrow I will be having guesting sa Angat Buhay. So I don't know if you guys could be there. I don't know if it's an open event, but we will be there sa Angat Buhay benefit dinner. Nasa Bar Boys 2 ba ako? Abangan. I don't know. I can't say anything unless everything's finalized. My bias for this PBB collab, it's early to say. It's early to say, but I love Ate Klang. She's my idol in terms of singing din. And I'm just so happy to see her inside the house kasi may ate sila. And you know how important it is to have like an ate figure inside the house. Sobrang masarap sa feeling na may ate sa house. Or kuya. Kuya si Kakuma sumrok sa PBB1. Nalpasan. Ay, sorry. Ba't ako may naklik akong invite, guys. So, I'm so sorry if just cancel it. Because na-press ko lang habang nag-scroll. Sorry. May napindot ako. Kasi ginaganyan ko siya. Napatagal pala doon sa ano. May teleserye project po ba kayo ni Vibrate this year? So far, wala naman. So far. Well, hopefully, we're manifesting that kasi gusto ko ulit makatrabaho si V. So, yun nga. It's early to say, pero ang bias ko for now, si Ate Klang, because it's, again, as a former housemate, it's so important for you to have an ate figure or someone older than you who you could ask advice from and who you could listen to each time you're feeling frustrated about the tasks, alam mo yun, and everything that goes on. Yes, Ambon. Okay, but we're not talking about that now. Baka maban ako bigla. But we can talk about that in other platforms. Not just here. Baka kasi very sensitive kasi ang AI ng TikTok. But we hear you. What's up, Delphine Gerald? Thank you, Yozo. Salamat. I'm wearing my April shirt, by the way. This was my recent film project. It was my first international film project. Project April. Sinuot ko lang siya ulit. Nakita ko siya. Sinigang or adobo? Sinigang. Hi Ford, what's up? Ang aga ng live, yes, because kunwari 24-hour PBB. 24-hour PBB. Akala ko ipapasok ka nila sa PBB ko. Tapos na ako. Okay na ako dun sa PBB journey ko. Like as in hindi naman na ako lugi sa PBB journey ko. So now I'm just happy to see the new batch of housemates, celebrity housemates. But again, I still feel mixed emotions about it kasi parang I can remember everything and I see myself in the process. Guys, sa mga nagtatanong kung sasama ba ako sa PBB, I was a former housemate, celebrity housemate sa Pinoy Big Brother Community Season 10. So, tapos na yung aking PBB stint. Closest housemate during and after the stint in the show. You know what? To be fair, ang mga nakakausap ko pa hanggang ngayon, sila Jordan, Shania, KD, Alexa, and Angie, and what else? Chi. And interactions na yung iba. Like Albi. Sila pa din yung parang may interactions. Who else? Biyasa ka magkapampangan. Wow, biyasa ko pero dito ako. Jeff, what's up, Jeff? Si Mama Brent sobrang busy. Pero I know, alam mo yung feeling na kapag nakita kayo ulit, mga taong kapag hindi man kayo nag-uusap, pero pag nakita kayo ulit, ganun pa rin. Ganun yung mga housemates. Yes, ganun naman kami housemates. And I understand and I respect that some former housemates just don't really, are not really, used to the constant communication, ganun. And that's fine. Ako rin kasi ganun ako. Ganun din kasi ako. Lai is also very busy, pero interaction, like, yeah, viewing, story, and like, ganun. Ian, ganun. Cindy! Kailian, what's up? What is your opinion about similarities between sign Virgo and Gemini? I'm not really familiar, pero if you can share me some similarities, I would appreciate it. Weird. That's weird. Rerun. Sana akita kaking personal idol. No ka rin kawari ba katok ng Ralph? Sample ng Tawing Ilog song. Lumalabas ang mga bituin kahit ang halin tapat. Any advice for aspiring theater actors? Just don't be afraid to audition. Even if you know that there will be lesser chances, you'll never know the chances. You'll never know when you're going to actually do it. Just do it. There's no perfect timing for everything. You don't wait for the perfect timing. You just have to do it anyway. May ganap ba ako March to April? Supposedly meron, pero na-cancel, na-delay pala. So, mga events lang. Tsaka, Meron akong pending sa April, pero hindi pa confirm. Why? Gusto mo yung sinasagot ko talaga lahat ng calendar ko. For now, nakapahinga ako sa mga plays at saka sa musicals. Uy, may ring na siya. Matagal na tong ring ko, guys. Binili ko to sa Malaysia. Kasi sabi nung mga gold enthusiast kong friends, dapat may gold ka kahit isa para kapag kinailangan mo, nasa labas ka tapos wala kang pera na emergency, pwede mo siyang isanla. Yung lagi mong suot. So since then, nasa isip ko na yun. Parang nga no, nasa labas ako, pwede ko siyang isanla. Kasi suot ko siya. At hindi wala siya, lagi ko siyang suot. Lagi ko siyang dala. So pwede ko siya isanla. Pag emergency. I'm still thinking of the perfect schedule for Liwanag sa Dilim, but definitely I will watch it. Sobrang dami kong gustong panooring theater shows. Oh my God. Meron pang Kisap Mata, which I will be watching tomorrow. On the 15th. Tapos meron pang Othello. I don't know where to get I don't know if may ticket pa ako ng Othello kasi laging sold out. Kasi it's a very intimate theater. So, laging mabilis ma-sold out. But I really wanted to watch that. I'm just looking for a perfect time. And may dates pa. I would definitely see a show for Othello. Favorite moment during Tabing Ilog era? Every time we're in the backstage. Kulitan, gano'n. Encho, thank you Encho. Kagabi nandito ka ulit. What's up? Kailan ako uwi ng Dagupan? Siguro pag lumuwag yung schedule. I mean, maluwag yung schedule ko ngayon but it's just that I'm still enjoying this break. You know, kasi for the longest time, for so many months, dinire-diretso ko siya and deserve ko naman siguro magpahinga ng ganito. That's why sometimes it feels weird. Parang, sabi ko wala akong ginagawa and it feels weird na parang wala akong ginagawa. Pero alam mo, sa totoo lang, ito naman yung mga hiniling ko ng mga panahon pagod na pagod ako eh. Sabi ko gusto ko magpahinga. Hey Win Sky, what's up? Tapos ngayong nagpapahinga na ako, nagre-reklamo pa ako. So wala akong karapatan magreklamo. Like, ginusto ko din naman magpahinga. Ba't di ka nila pinasok sa PBB? Guys, ang mga hindi nakakaalam, tapos na po ako. May PBB na ako. Last, kami ang recent batch ng PBB Celebrity Housemate. Mabait po ba si Master Joe? Yes, the kindest, one of the sweetest persons I know. Speaking of PBB, pakinggan niya natin yung sikat na sikat. Sikat na sikat ang Pinoy. Oh. Nasaan yung agsunta? Ano?
Gaano nga ba kayaman si...
Ayun na naman yung gaano nga ba kayaman. So, may nakita ko dati nito nung after ng PBB tapos may nagsan sa akin ng link. Gaano nga ba kayaman si Benedict Ramos ng PBB? Tapos yung net worth ko daw is 3 million. Tapos parang gano'n, something like that. Basta million. Nakakatawa lang. Ito, sa TikTok ata, Shopee or what? I'm not sure. Uy, parang na-delete yung ano. Sikat ang Pinoy agsunta. Yun. This is our theme song during our season. Ito yung namin, theme song namin, and wake up call. And every time I hear this song, oh my god, it just, everything comes back and flashback talaga. Hi Trina, what's up? May friends ba ako na nakapasok sa PBB ngayon? Yes, si Ralph, si River, si sino ba? Si AC, Ralph, River, AC, sino pa ba? Brent. Sino pa ba? Puro mga kapamilya, syempre. Hi RJ Raf, what's up? Sikat ang Pinoy. Ayoko na natin-trigger ako. Natin-trigger. Thank you, ECT. Medyo may part sa akin ECT, pero it's really just really more of good memories and opportunities, and that's where I'm focusing on. That's where I focus on. What's up, Choi? Kuya Ben, anong thoughts mo? Super ganda ng house ngayon. Naalala mo ba yung design? Yes, ang ganda ng house nila ngayon at saka ang daming sponsors. Nung season namin, wala kaming sponsor. Grabe. Pandemic din kasi yung sa amin eh. Tapos imagine niyo nung season namin, every Friday or Monday, basta there's a time of the week. There's a day in a week na we do swab test once a week. Early in the morning, so we wake up early in the morning para mag-swab test. That's how we did. Mas ang lang namin, cream line lang. Sponsor namin. Ice cream. My palms are now sweating. Trigger siya, diba? Trigger siya, promise. Medyo trigger siya. And I don't know if, siyempre sabihin ng iba dyan, OA, ganun. Kasi, ganun nga. Pero, guys, you will never know the feeling of the feeling unless you've been there. Sobrang nakakaano siya. It's a trigger. But I'm hindi naman yung super OA. Thank you, Ria, salamat. Thank you, guys. Alam mo, hindi pa ako makain. Kung ano kakainin ko. Bakit ang aga ko today? Wala lang, na-realize ko lang na puro gabi ang live ko. Mas wala akong chance to just do this kind of content na live na nag-uusap lang. Tapos, I'm also thinking of content to do. Diba? Dahil may time ako, ang dami kong content. Napanood niyo yung bago kong content. You got a wedding ring. No, it's not a wedding ring. Why do you guys keep on saying it's a wedding ring? It's not. It's just a tawag dun? Palamuti. Kahit nasa wedding finger kasi. Cause if I put it here, it's too maluwag. If I put it here, it's too masikip. If I put it here, it's masikip din. If I put it here, ayan. Okay. Okay, KO. So this is the perfect finger for it. Ayan o. Oh. Sobrang saktong-sakto niya. Yeah, more time, more content. Yun naman yun eh. See you, GG. See you. Friend pa rin kami ni Neil. of course. May GC pa nga rin kami. Not that active anymore, pero recently naging active siya. Chat lang kami dun, kamusta. ECT, thank you. Alam mo, sobrang effective talaga ng Dr. Leo. Kahapon nakita nyo, may ba, pumuputok na to. Yung pimple na to. Guys, in-apply ko lang siya kagabi. Oh my God, pagising ko, actually madaling araw, naalimpungatan lang ako. Ay, madaling araw, di pala madaling araw, hindi umaga na pala ako natutulog. Kanina, nang medyo umaga na, naramdaman kong nag-dry na siya, tapos natanggal siya kaagad. Eh, pumuputok pa lang yun, di ba? I mean, paputok pa lang siya kagabi. Yung pimple ko dito. Sobrang effective. Grabe. I'm so happy kasi finally meron ng product for my... reliable product for my pimple. Promise. Walang halong... it's not even paid. It's not even a paid ad or something. But it's really effective sa akin. You guys can check it out sa aking Yellow Basket. Makikita niyo doon. Pwede ba bang mag-add ng ano dito? What's a treasure box? Live ulit ako madaling araw. I don't know. Alam mo, wala naman talagang ano yung mga live ko eh. Very unpredictable. Hala, buhay ka pa pala. Hindi po. Actually, pareho na tayong nasa heaven. Joke. Joke lang. Hi, Kate. Hello. How are you? Ano tong lightning Q&A? Wag na. Ang favorite color ko, earth colors. Brown, black, green, dark green specifically. Yun, dark green. Tawag dun sa dark green na yun. Moss green. Thoughts sa PBB housemates. Well, ganyan sabi ko kanina. Hi Marcus, what's up? Ganyan sabi ko kanina, nakakatuwa na may bago na new batch of housemates. And ang current bias ko, too early to say, pero kasi syempre, si Atik lang kasi we need an Atik figure. And Esnir. Tsaka yung mga friends ko rin doon. Sila River, Ralph. AC, Brent. Anong comfort food ko? Ano nga ba? Basta fried rice. Anything fried rice, comfort food ko. Hi James, what's up? Thank you, James. Dulo. Actually, automatic nagpe-play yun yan. Hindi ko siya grits. Hindi ko siya pinlay. Naramdaman ata na paparating ka. Lalang, ito na ang dulo. Ano yung gusto niyong kanta sa Morning Voice? Kanta tayo. Sara ko lang yung pintuan. Sige, kanta tayo. Hindi ko pa alam yung multo eh. Thank you, Grits. What's up, Jeric? Manong Ilocano ka na? Ampay ah. Adutihan nga makaawat. Hanak nga Ilocano nga talaga. Makasawak lang nga basit. Basit lang. Kan ada series ko nga Ilocano. So hindi na lang makapag-Ilocano, straight Ilocano. Narkaad Pangasinan, Jad Dagupan. Ampot ang siring. LOL James. Goria, thank you for being here. Ingat ka. I don't know what to eat. Hi, barbecue. Uy, barbecue. Ayan, it's a sign. Barbecue. Pansit Canton. Nasa isip ko yan. Pansit Canton. Kasi, natamad na akong magluto ng anything. Hi, brain. Sana all my brain. Lab, what's up, Lab? Coffee muna. Nagko-coffee na ako, Nes. Shout out ang puti lagay. Jeric from San Carlos. Yung series mo na nag-Ilocano ka, di ko pa natapos. Meron ba ako, James? Wala naman eh. Na nag-Ilocano ako. Thank you, Jeff. Ito na lang, sige. Mahal, pangako sa'yo, hindi magbabago. Ikaw lang ang ibigin ko, kahit ikaw ay lumayo at masaktan ako. Asahan na di maglalaho ang pag-ibig ko'y alay sa'yo lamang. Kung kaya giliw dapat mong malaman, minsan lang kitang iibigin, minsan lang kitang mamahalin. Ang pagmamahal sa'yo'y walang hangganan, dahil lang minsan ay mapagkailanman. Mas malakas ba yung -1 kaysa sa boses ko? Minsan lamang sa buhay ko ang isang katulad mo. Ako rin ba'y iniibig mo? Dinggin, puso'y sumasamo, sinusumpa sa'yo. Ikaw ang tanging dalangin ko. Ang pag-ibig ko'y alay hangganan, dahil ang minsan ay mapagkailanman. Thank you, Bibi. Bakit ba ganyan puno ng galit? Bakit ba sila ganyan puno ng galit ang isipan? Di ba yun? Ilocano or Panggalatok? You mean Pangasinan? Pangasinense. Pero alam kong Ilocano. Sa ngalan ng Ama, you mean Lakumpake, JG. Lakumpake yun. May recording ba ako nun? Oo, meron. Ay, hindi ko alam pala. Ang Panggalatok kasi, it's historically, it's a derogative term. It's like they say it's an insult to Pangasinenses when you say Panggalatok. I actually had a video about that. Pero understandable lang din naman, and if yun na yung nakasanayan kasi even the Pangasinenses often mistake that into usual term. Natapos naman yun, wala lang season 2 because, well, happens. Life happens. It's okay, Dexter. Understandable naman that not everybody knows, so at least now you know. Hi, Layo. Wow, JG. Really? So, among the 4 shows, how was it? Grabe, 4 shows. Parang sila Nes lang. Mas more than pa ata. Bye, ECT. Enjoy. Aral ka mabuti. All great. Thanks, JG. Tatanungin ko sana kung sino napanood mo. Ako lang pala yung nag-edit nun. Nasanay na ako sa Next to Normal na may alternate. Tsaka sa Tabing Ilog. Bar Boys is the only musical that I have yet, that I had, na wala akong alternate. Only cover. And I did all shows. Grabing call out yun. Na-call out ka bigla. Thank you, JG. Salamat po. Binibini, okay naman. Ito halos kagigising lang. Iyanaya, shout out to you. Missing Bar Boys. Speaking of Bar Boys, sige, patugtugin natin yung Bar Boys. Na nga lang. Every day we feel like losing. Bar Boys, the musical. No, Twice the musical. Twice the musical. Ang pots. Yes, Binibini. Dream role in the musical, Dear Evan Hansen. Yun talaga yung dream role ko. Lagi kong sinasabi yun. Bar Boys, the musical. Anong her voice? Baunin hamot ah. Hindi ka ba nalilito nun sa nasa Barboys ka tapos practicing tabing ilog? Tapos tabing ilog, practicing next to normal. Ganun yung ginawa ko, guys. Ganun yung ginawa ko. Barboys practicing tabing ilog practicing next to normal. And in the middle of next to normal, may film akong ginawa. An international Taiwanese film. So, ibang character na naman yun. If I come to think of it, ang amazing lang how I actually juggled those characters in a short span of time. So, I think it's fair to say that Kuya Joseph. What's up, Joseph? Kapigan ang unsampot? Magkuanta. May singil ang pangarap. Sobrang iconic talaga ng Barboys the musical. For me, it's a theater classic. It's a Filipino theater classic. For me, at least for me. Like, it's a musical that could have its rerun over the years. Even if hindi na ako yung Eric Vicencio, hindi na kami yung apat na boys, they would be looking for four new gentlemen. You know what I'm saying? And it feels so nice to become an OG. Diba? Originated the role. Can you try Ikaw? Ikaw. Sige, kantayin natin yung Ikaw. After this song. After may singin ng pangarap. Ikaw from Mula sa Buwan. Show by ko pa na ikaw, Eric. Ako na naman talaga yung Eric nun. I did all shows, Ness. I would love to do it again and again. Pumayat ka, Lods. Payat naman po talaga ako. And I don't think there was a time in my life na tumaba ako. Even, siguro elementary, mataba ako. Will forever love Barboys. Hope we can watch na. Yes, of course. Me too. Iba yung love ko sa Barboys. Flew 3 times from Japan. Really? JG? Hindi nga. Really? From Japan para mapanood ng Barboys? Wow. Grabe. Di ka na babalik sa PBB. Guys, galing na ako doon sa PBB. Kaya hindi naman sa hindi ako babalik doon. Tapos na ako doon. Hi, Jed. Hello. Sige, kantayin natin yung Ikaw. Ikaw. Ikaw mula sa buwan. Thank you, JG. By any chance, JGB, ikaw ba to? Ikaw ay isang rosas na humahalimuyan, nanunukso at di... Ano? Hindi ko alam lyrics. Ang ngiti sa iyong labi, na 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 na, ang oras ay tumitigil pa. May inggit ang bukang liwayway. Ang ganda niya'y nawalan ng saysay. Sa buhay mo tinataglay at sa mundo'y binibigay. Hindi ko kabisado yung lyrics. Pero ang pintono niya. Thank you, Merot. May inggit ang bukang liwayway. Ang ganda niya'y nawalan ng saysay. Sa kulay mong tinataglay at sa mundo'y binibigay. Sa kulay mong tinataglay at sa mundo'y binibigay. Hindi ko alam yung kanta. I mean, hindi ko alam yung lyrics ng kanta. Hindi ako pwede magsira no eh. Hindi ko bagay. Pero ang ganda rin sana doon sira no. Lou Eigenman, what's up? Sino magiging bias ko ngayon? Like I said, feeling ko magiging bias ko talaga. Hindi ko, early to say. Aside from my friends na nasa Star Magic, si Ate Klang talaga. Kasi I love an ate figure. Thank you, Ren. Salamat. Thank you so much. Leaves. Wait lang, pahinga lang ako. So nagkakapi ako, dala yung throat ko. Maiinggit ang mukhang liwayway. None yet. Wala pa akong may disclose, Jenna. But I have 2 upcoming pero hindi ko pa ma-disclose. Hi Gio, what's up? Wait lang, anong oras na pala? Uy. Mag-end na rin ako, guys. Dahil natatain ako. Hindi play. No, not play. I'm in my hiatus sa musical or play. Depends kung may play na magandang material and bagay. Gusto ko rin talaga mag-straight play. Abangan na lang, May. Then, wala pa for now. For now, wala pa. It's safe to say, wala pa for now. Kailan kasali ka ba sa PB? Hindi po. Wala po ako sa bahay ni Kuya. Nanggaling na po ako dun. Hi, Prince. Sample ng Aheb song. Sige. Last song ko to. Manila po ako. Hindi talaga tumatanda to. Salamat po. Kinilig. Yes po, salamat po. Thank you. Ano ba yan? Ano na yun? Anong title nun? Guys, letter M. Letter M. Minsan. Ang huling El Bimbo the Musical. Ito na nga lang ang huli ng Bimbo. Grabe. Sobrang eerie naman nito. Sobrang haunting nung ang huling El Bimbo. Grabe. Akto to eh. Lift your head, baby, don't be scared of the things that could go wrong along the way. You'll get by with a smile. You can win at everything that you can try. In a world where everybody hates a happy ending story, it's no wonder life can make the world go round. But don't let it bring you down and turn your face into a frown. And a little prayer and a song. Joy, ang pae. Ang pae. Ayun lang. Thank you, Chris. Ito ang huling El Bimbo. Mark, what's up? Thank you. Wow, as if nasa akin ang desisyon ng Aheb rerun. If there will be an Aheb rerun and I will still reprise the role of young Anthony, I would do it. Because there's like an unfinished business sa role na yun. So, I would definitely do it. Kamo si Paraluman. Nung tayo ay bata pa, tanggaling-galing mo, kamo si Paraluman. Ano ba talaga? Nung tayo ay bata pa, at ang galing-galing mong sumayaw, mapapuki man o cha-cha, ngunit ang paborito ay pagsayaw mo ng El Bimbo. Nakakaintak, nakakaaliw, nakakatindig, balahibo. Pagkagaling sa eskwela ay didiretso na sa inyo, at buong maghapon ay tinuturuan mo ako. Magkahawakan nating kamay at walang kamalay-malay, na tinuruan mo ang puso ko na umibig ng tunay. Hi, Nathan. Naninigas ang aking katawan pag umikot na ang plaka, sabay sa kebot ng behon mo at kulay ng iyong mga mata. Lumilipad hanggang buhay masagasaan. Iyan, Dear Evan Hansen. As Evan, as Dear. Pagkagaling sa eskwela ay didiretso na sa inyo. At buong maghapon ay tinuturuan mo ako. Sabay-sabay. Magkahawak ang ating kamay at walang kamalay-malay na tinuruan mo ang puso ko na umibig ng tunay. La 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 la. Ligaya. Hi Bal, what's up? Yes, Barboy is the music guy. Grabe. Ang hirap naman nun, Jill. Ano ba bang word? Lumipas ang maraming taon, di na tayo nagkita. Balita ko'y may anak ka na, ngunit walang asawa. Nagahugas ka raw ng pinggan sa may ermita. At isang gabi nasagasan sa isang madilim na eskinita. Lahat ng pangarap ko ay bigla lang sa panaginip na lang pala kita maisa. Yun pala yun. Okay, try natin yan. Wow. Lahat ng pangarap ko'y bigla lang natumba sa panaginip na lang wala kita maisasayaw. Magkahawak ang ating kamay, walang kamalay-malay. Thank you, Glad. Salamat po. Anyway, maraming salamat for watching my live stream. Natatay na talaga ako. Hindi ko na kayang pigilan. Habang bumibirit ako, hindi ko maano. I'll see you again later if I go live. Just stay tuned if magla-live ako. Bye guys. See you later. Love you all. Yes. Study well, Kate. Bye-bye. Bye, Bibi. Bye, Joyce. Hi, Glad. Thank you all so much. Bye. See you, Joyce. Thank you. Michael. Sir Michael, what's up? Did you just come in, Sir Michael? Lumipas ang maraming taon, di na tayo nagkita. Anyway, yeah, thank you guys so much. Goodbye, everyone. CR na ako. Bye-bye, see ya. See you later. CR na ako. Bye-bye. See ya. See you later.